Hey, what's up, man? I just saw your form come through. It looks like you're not quite ready to work with us. If you have no money to invest in your business yet, it's no problem. I've been there before too, but we can't really help you out. What we do have for you is a school group below. It's $97, so less than $100. And I have all of our training videos on how to actually do this for yourself. So instead of me doing it for you, where it costs, $1,000, we have training videos for $100 where you can just learn how to do it all yourself. That's, creating ads, running ads inside of Facebook Ads Manager, running all the SMS and email campaigns after the fact to actually sell them on the phone, and then our sales script on actually how to sell them on the phone once you get them on the phone. We also have sales call recordings in there, our sales script, really everything in there. And then you also have one-on-one access with me. You can message me in there anytime. I'm in the group, almost every day. So that's a solution for guys that are making like less than 10K, less than 5K. And once you get to that $10,000, $15,000 per month range, we'd love to work with you then, because then you can afford us. Then we can take you up from there to that 50K mark. So that's really my offer for you. Click out the button below and you'll go straight to the school group. I have a better breakdown video in there, kind of breaking down the entire group, behind the scenes and everything. But I think that'd be a good option for you. I'll talk to you inside the group.